What's up, guys? I just got this diagnostic tool on Amazon and I wanted to show you how it works. I'm having some engine trouble right now and I've got a check engine light on, so I want to plug this in and see what it is that's causing it. So all you do is take this end and plug it in right here. Most vehicles after 1996, this is where it's going to be, and you can see that it shows up on the display here. You can set it up with different languages, different units of measurements. We're going to start our engine. We're going to hit enter to scan, and you can see here that there's codes that have been found. Let's see, read codes. So the first one is P054A, P054C. Now that I have my codes, I can go inside and figure out what the problem is. So on my vehicle, the problem happened to be the timing chain or a timing issue. So that's something I'm definitely going to need to get checked out. And thanks to this product, I don't have to go to AutoZone every time that a check engine light pops up. Thank you to VDIAGTOOL for sending me this OBDII scanner diagnostic tool. You can find this on Amazon.